This dried orange wreath is easy to make and adds the perfect touch of natural decor to your Christmas decorations. To make this wreath, you'll need dried orange slices. We have a video linked for how to do that. You can also buy dried orange slices, and there's a link for that below too. You'll also need a wreath form, hot glue, and some ribbon. Add hot glue to one side of a dried orange slice and place the orange on the wreath form. Continue until the wreath form is covered. Layer up the orange slices as desired to get the look you want. Once your wreath form is covered, slowly lift it up and make sure all of the orange slices are secure. You may need to re-glue some. To add the ribbon, gently turn the wreath over and add a loop, making sure to secure it to the wreath form. Turn the wreath back over and tie a bow with the ribbon. Glue the bow to the ribbon loop. And there you have it, a beautiful dried orange wreath to add to your holiday decorations.